How do you conduct a hazard analysis for your food product? You sit down to do your hazard analysis. You have got a blank spreadsheet open. You know you're supposed to go step by step and identify hazards, but you're staring at it thinking, where do I even start? How do I know if I have covered everything? That feeling? Totally normal. And it is also the exact reason why so many hazard analyses end up being weak, because people rush through it just to get it done. I'm Felicia Liu. I'm a lead HACCP instructor and HACCP consultant, and I want to tell you something. The hazard analysis is the single most important part of your HACCP plan. Everything else, your CCPs, your critical limits, your monitoring, all of it flows from this. So if you cut corners here, it shows up everywhere. Let me give you a framework to work with. Step 1. Get your process flow diagram right. Before you even think about hazards, make sure you have an accurate, verified flow of every step in your process. Receiving, storage, prep, processing, packaging, holding, shipping, all of it. If a step is not on your flow diagram, it will not be in your hazard analysis, and that is how things get missed. Step 2. At every single step, ask 3 questions. Could something biological go wrong here? We are talking pathogens, spoilage organisms, parasites. Could something chemical go wrong? Allergens, cleaning chemicals, pesticides, additives. Could something physical go wrong? Metal fragments, glass, plastic, bone, stones. Go through each one. Seriously, even if you think a step is low risk, go through the questions. Sometimes the hazards you do not expect are the ones that matter. Step 3, and this is the part that separates a good hazard analysis from a bad one. For every hazard you identify, you need to evaluate whether it is significant. Is it reasonably likely to happen at this step? And if it does happen, how severe would the outcome be? That combination of likelihood and severity is your justification. And you need to write it down, not just check a box and explain your reasoning. Here is something you can do today. Open your current hazard analysis and read 3 of your justifications out loud. Do they sound specific? Do they reference the actual hazard, the source, and why it matters at that step? Or do they sound like something that could apply to any food product? If it sounds generic, tighten it up. If you want to learn how to do this properly, with hands-on practice using real products, reach out to us about our HACCP training. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and stick around. We are just getting started.